should have started vlogging this earlier. I've just gone and bought two new budgies. We also bought a new cage too. These are kind of like Brandon's budgies, even though I paid for them. So we're both gonna name them. I'm currently sitting on the side of the road waiting for the bus because the bus stop is across the road. Yeah, I didn't want to wait at the bus stop, which is there, because, well, it's really hot, and see, the Budgies cage has a shirt over so they don't freak out. They're really cute. We got two little boys. Somebody just tried to catcall me. I had no idea what they were saying though. I'll show you our two little additions to the family. They know I'm friendly yet. Big new cage. Come on, camera, focus. This is the door, a really big door. It's pretty cool. And like, it's really big. These are our two new babies. And I'm gonna put them in, but I can't really film it because I only have one hand and I need to actually grab the birds, which they're not gonna like. Our new babies are in their cage. They don't have names yet. I get to name the lighter one. He kind of looks white, but he's not. He's a really pale yellow with a bright yellow face. Oi! Budgies. That's Caspar. She's just going off, look. So I get to name the lighter one and the green one, the really bright green. Brandon gets to name whatever he wants. He didn't come with me, and he's complaining that I didn't get a white one. But he didn't come with me, and the white one wasn't as friendly or as active as these ones, and when you're getting a budgie, they have to be active. So I'll show you how the other babies are behaving. Obviously, they're not behaving very well. What are you guys doing? Boo's really excited. We actually got Boo from the same place that I got these two. Boo Bear, what are you doing? Hey? Peekaboo, what are you doing? Caspar's just sitting there, although she was being very noisy. Because that was her screaming before. I'm here with Brandon now. He's here. Oh. And as you can see, the two new budgies are out of their cage. We've been trying to just get them used to us and stuff. And we've named them. Come here. This one here, this is Taco. He's very little, he's only 12 weeks old. Go back. Good boy. This is DJ. He's very cute. Might be more videos including these guys and those guys. Uploaded soon, just on how they interact, like the first kind of meeting and stuff. Link to my blog is down below, and yeah, we'll do some more training videos. Alright guys, have a lovely day, bye.